Man, it is so hard to find cereal to eat. Ugh, this cereal moves so slow. 3G AT&T treats, I wish they were available in more cities. Let's try these VZOs. The guy who sold them to me is much nicer anyway. Wow, they go really fast, so much faster, and I heard this cereal is available everywhere in the U.S. What's this? That's stupid.
That's not stupid at all!
MiFi Man!
This is a Verizon Wireless MiFi, and this can connect you and up to 4 other wireless devices to the internet.
It can connect me to the internet all over the nation?
All over the nation.
Wow, MiFi Man, that's not stupid at all.
No, and remember, we don't just do internet service. We do wireless solutions and busy email.
Oh my goodness, MiFi Man, you're a rock star.